Is gold's record run a sign of trouble for the U.S. economy? A lot of people taking a look at gold above $4,200 an ounce and getting nervous. In fact, a lot of investors have been buying gold to bring it up above $4,200 an ounce because they're nervous. Couple things to consider. Did you know that the number one source of demand for gold remains jewelry? That's right, 44%. With another 7% that's used for technology devices. In other words, half of all of the purchasing of gold that's taking place out there is just happening for consumer demand at some level. Next point. If you take a look at the average historic price of gold, the appreciation has been huge this year. It's been big in recent years. But did you know that it's only an average of about 4.5% per year? So if you take a look at the long range, even with the recent performance, paints a slightly different picture. Here's something else for you. A lot of people are taking a look at the U.S. dollar thinking, well, it could be like a collapse kind of situation. Did you know that the U.S. dollars valued through the U.S. dollar index is worth more than it was a decade ago today? Is worth more than it was today in 1987. And in fact, is valued above its historic average level. There are a lot of different things out there that are pieces of truth that are wound together to create narratives that help drive fear. Yeah, at a certain level, there are things to be concerned about long term, certainly with debt and deficits in the U.S. economy. But if we were on the verge of collapse, inflation would be through the roof. It wouldn't be below 3%, in addition to gold prices likely going higher. Two sides of stories, one side of facts. Those are the facts.